So hello guys, good morning. This is the day 4 of our ride. I just wanted to show you how a biker's room will be like. See, all the stuffs are here and there. So this is the charging setup. So you can see the gadgets have been charged. There are only few now because we already charged it at the night. So we are staying at Kanyakumari. Last night we came around 11:30. So we were a bit tired and we just slept off. So we are just heading towards the statue of, I think so it's not a statue, it's Swami Vivekananda's bun, and some other statue of a great poet. I don't know exactly his name, but I know his name, but I couldn't pronounce it properly. So let me go there and check with the pronunciation and then tell you which it is. Kanyakumari is the only district which faces Arabian Sea in Tamil Nadu. The rest all it faces Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. So Kanyakumari is the only district which faces Arabian Sea. So I think this is the parking. We will just park our vehicles here and walk from here. So guys, this is Gandhi Memorial in Kanyakumari. So we have to leave our footwear outside. So guys, that is Thiruvalluvar statue and Vivekananda rock in Kanyakumari. I think my voice is not audible properly because of the wind. So we are unable to reach there because we need to move on quick because we need to go to Thoothukodi now. The next destination is Thoothukodi. So we have to cover our miles. So we are not able to go. But you can also go there with the boats. They have a boat facility. So you can go with that. So guys, we just finished visiting the Vivekananda rock and Thiruvalluvar statue. So unfortunately we couldn't make it up to the other side of the island to the rock because we had less time and we need to cover 500 more kilometers to Thoothukodi now. So we have to move real quick and the checkout time is 12:30 for the room. So we need to hurry up there as well. We have to pack up all the things. So guys, we finished all our packing and sightseeing has been done. So we are now heading to Thoothukodi via Thoothukodi or Tirachandur. So it's via Tirachandur, Thoothukodi, then Thoothukodi. It's about 350 kilometers from Kanyakumari. So we'll just see in case if that's our halt tonight. So hello guys, we are heading to Thoothukodi. We are on the way. We are near Thoothukodi right now. You can see the background behind me. It's salt pans. So there are a lot of salt pans here. So we just stopped for some sunset videos. You can just see the salt pans. So Thoothukodi depends mainly on salt industry. So from here we are moving to Thoothukodi, Rameshwaram and Thoothukodi. Via Thoothukodi we are going. So we just reached Thoothukodi and thought there was a beautiful sand pans here, so we could take some awesome pics. And also the sunset was there. We also thought we'll also take some hyperlapse of the sunset. So I'll just meet you once I reach Thoothukodi. So hi guys, welcome back. So we are just heading to Rameshwaram, Thoothukodi as I said. On the way we just stopped for dinner and Prashant was also feeling a bit sleepy, so we thought to stop for a while and have coffee or tea and dinner, and then later on we can move from here. After dinner we are moving from here to Rameshwaram. We'll meet you at the room in case if we reach early, or else we'll just we are tired, so we'll just sleep. And then morning we'll just start. So till then, this is your Satish signing off.